follow. 3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, thank you for choosing this video to watch on how to export files from drone to a phone. Okay, before we start, make sure that you already downloaded the DJI NEO app. It's available to App Store and Play Store. And make sure that you already turned on your DJI NEO drone ready for exporting files. And if you still don't know how to turn on your DJI NEO drone, don't worry, I already created a video for that. So I'm just gonna put a link here, so if you had a chance to go and watch for it. So let's begin by clicking the app, open the app. So first step, we need to connect DJI NEO to your phone. So click here, click connect. Just wait for a seconds to reconnecting and click join. Okay, successfully connected. So just skip this one, click album here. So just choose whatever video you want to export. So I'm gonna choose the short one. Click the download button here. Just wait for DJI NEO to explore. Click full download. So this time I'm waiting for DJI NEO to give me a notification, but it seems like there's no sign. So we're going to check our photo galleries. So as I can see, it seems like not successful, but as I scroll up, so I look for the video that I export. So there you go. Yes, successfully export the files. So that's it, guys. Very simple. So if you want to transfer more files or video, just repeat the process and there you go. So I hope you find this video helpful, so you might consider subscribing, and see you to my next vlog.